Hey everyone, so this video is a little bit different. Well, for starters, who has a dad that snores? Well, I certainly do. So last night, Mum recorded him snoring and it was so loud, and then she came in and put it next to my head and started playing it, and I thought it was Dad walking and sleepwalking while snoring, and it was so funny. Sarah thinks that we need to build him a soundproof isolation chamber because of how loud his snoring is. So I hope you guys liked that little audio video. Don't forget to subscribe to both mine and Sarah's channels, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!